What's going on, everyone? How are you? Welcome back for another Nike Factory Store Nike sneaker invest episode. Jay Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And welcome back for this Nike outlet, Nike Factory Store investment. And looking around on this Nike Factory Store in my area, not much going on this. A lot of people around in here, so let's see what we can find. Hopefully we can find something really good today that we can really reinvest, and this is the part I really like it. And let's go check out the um, clearance wall. We have a 30% off discount, and look at this one. We spotted a good one already. Hey, we got sample. Nice flygis, Nike Pegasus. Oopsie, oopsie. Tag 36 sample pair. All right, how about this one? I don't like it too much. Too much expensive. Well, do you like it? One. We got some SB. It's a sample pair though. How about $49.99 with the Havoc Jordan React? I'm thinking to have this one in my collection for running, but I already have a lot of shoes for running. But this one's nice, right? The React and the Havoc is Jordan, and $49.97 with the additional 30%. Wish to have the one. What do you think? What do you think? Okay. Alright, how about this one? $74.97 with the Shock. Pass. Alright. Whoop. Looking back, and $59.97 for the Zoom Fly 3 running shoes, bolt colorway, $42 after the fee, after the 30%. Well, what do you think? I might gonna get me one more of this one. I already picked this up weeks ago, but how about Jordans? $79.97 with additional 30 on this Jordan. What about this one? $59.99. Same price last week though. It's not one. Well, what do you think? On this satin, $139.99. The Jordan 1 high satin, and is sitting right here. Well, this one is like the first week that they had this one. Don't have this one last week, so they still have a lot of stock. What do you think? You'll cap them? About the $79.97, 30% of this shoe, I will pass. Alright, so what do you think? Another one, this Quest, $49.99 with additional 30. Not bad though, if you're really into a little bit of training shoes. Okay, another Zoom X, 79 additional discount. They have this one is 99 and the other one is the same price, but they don't have the additional discount. Alright, $74.97 with additional 30%. Epic React, $54.97 on this shoe. Why not? We got the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 35 TB 4 wide, $59.97. Same price last week's, but I bought the good sizes before. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna pick more sizes, but be particular on size. Alright, this what we got, as you can see right there. How about this one? Ooh, who's getting this? Crimson Tint? Anyone who's gonna get them? I got 2 pairs. Okay, let's discuss at home. And there we go. This is the one that we picked up on the Nike Factory Store. So let's take them out of the plastic bags so I can share you and what are these, and also my investment and why did I buy them. So let's take them out. Starting off, we are going to talk about these Nike or Zoom Pegasus 35 TB 4E, which is the 4 wide, extra wide, and we bought them for $59.97. And as you can see, a nice running shoes. And as you can see right there, the Zoom Pegasus 35, very light, and there's a lot of cushioning on this part of the ankle, which is very good for runners. And also there's a lot of good review on this one. That's why I went for it. The quality, the performance of a good running shoe, it will sell out. And also based also on price market right now and what's going on, I went in on this one because I wanted to do a quick flip. That's why I bought it. That's why I went for invest on this one. Not too much of return, but I would like to have a let's just say quick flip. I did probably I made 15 or maybe $10 or $15 on this one. That's why I did a quick flip, because I would sell them really quick within a week. So I already sold two for the first, the other one that I had. So that's why I'm buying another one. So next one is the Zoomfly 3. We bought five of this, same sizes, focusing on the size because I don't want to compete with the other reseller, and looks like the other reseller are not buying it because if they saw the market, they don't like what they're seeing. But I did kinda manipulate the market, because when I saw this one, there's a higher market for the other reseller, and I went into like what some people do, some people reseller in the Amazon, which we called it first in first out. You came in and resell it, take the profit and move on. That's what I did, and that's why other reseller not going in. As you can see, we bought this for $59.97 minus the 30% off, and it will drop to somewhere around $42. I already sold some. Like I've got the 9.5. Mostly I sold the 9.5 already. Two right there, another two, another three, and the last one sold this for $67.40, which is the amount made after the goat fee. So $67.40. The another one is $67.40, and I believe I am a little bit high on this one. Yes, so I made $71.02. Okay, so after the fees and everything, I would say $67.40 minus $42 of buy cost, which is go. So I made like $25 on this one. So that is why I did buy another, and there's no more size 9.5, but I went in for the size 11 because this is the only size that they have, so I went for that one. But all in all, I like this one also. I like the color, I like the quality, and it's gonna be a really good cushioning because it's really soft. Who like that one? Running shoes right there. Okay, moving on with a sample pair. So if you are new in the Nike outlet, Nike factory store, if you see this kind of boxes, they don't have the actual names, which is the barcode, the name, this is what they call sample pair. This is the unlimited so of Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 36, which is much more better than the 35, just like this one. Nice running shoes again. I went for in $59.97, same at least like $40. And based on the listing on the the eBay, as you can see, not much of a reseller. Someone trying to sell this a pre-owned, which is used pair, 59. Someone selling for the other ones is new, 109 and 74 and 130. As you can see, there's no lot of a reseller. I went for it because $42 for a sample pair of Nike running shoes. Thinking that it will sell out somewhere 100. So this also on my experience in reselling some type of sample pair, it will eventually go up. It depends on you if you want to have to reinvest, invest into something that there's no a lot of reseller, and then the good thing is it's also a sample pair. Have you seen this one already in the last video I did? And this is the last pair of size 7. That's why I got it. I left behind the other sizes because I already had me one of those, and I showed this to the other reseller, and looks like he's kind of interested, so I share the blessings. So it's not always you compete with the other reseller, just be good with them, they will be good to you in return. So next one, we got the Nike Labs Supply SP. This one is retail for $150, bought them for $44.97. I was hoping I could find more, but I didn't get a chance to ask for the one who works there if they have more in the back. And you know what's going on right now, athlete, normal people, they need to be active, so they have to go for a run. Reselling wise, this one did sold out really good way back, so I like that one. And lastly, we got the Jordan 1 Mid SE. Color is the crimson tint. Really crimson tint. Actually, I didn't get a chance to take a video when I saw them, because actually other reseller saw them first. That's the one I'm telling you. I shared this one. He saw this one first, and when I saw him doing the research, I say I don't have to do research. I knew that this one is gonna be a profitable because it's a Jordan 1 crimson tint, and if you know the crimson 1 tint, but hey, by the way, this one is made right. The crimson 1 tint high is more expensive, which like they are going way up, like crazy price. But if we are looking into StockX right now, last sale is $230. This one probably a different size. Yeah, there you go, 239 and a half. Others 140, 134, 11 and a half. The reseller that saw this one first, he got the size 12, and looking to the market right now, 160. The other one is 218, 220, 162, which is not bad. So if he's trying to price this one for, but they don't have the full box, so you won't be able to resell this on StockX. But I have a trick on this one. Okay, but let's see my size, which is the size 13. Okay, size 13. Okay, so last sale is 150. There you go. July 12, July 15, and July 16. Sizes 12 are really reselling very well. So as you can see, retail is 120. Air Jordan 1 Mid SE crimson tint hyper pink black, and $79.97 with the additional 30%. $79.97 minus 30%, so somewhere around $56. I would say I'm gonna resell this one like 200 or something. Okay, so this is the other one that I'm talking about, like the Jordan 1 High Rust Pink, which is the high. Look at the price. Last sale is, wow, lowest ask is 19. Other is trying to resell it for 3,000. But this is the high, which is the Rust Pink. It's somewhat look alike though. But another one here is the crimson tint, which is the high. Last sale also is $299. So someone are asking for more than 300, and yeah, something like that. So I would say I'm gonna sit on this one for a while, especially this is size 13, and I'm not sure if a big dude or big people, huge tall people, would wear some kind of pink, but hey, you never know. But I bought this one for less than that, $79.97 with additional 30%. Lucky me, I got two, but the other dude got 5, and also he got the size 12, and he just shared this blessings to me, and thanks to him. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something new today. Share the blessings, okay? Alright, that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. If you really like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, also leave a comment down below. What do you think all of this? And with that being said, Jay Nolasco here, and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. See you on the next one. Peace. Bye bye.